Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to get WhatsApp alerts for 5-star Google Business Profile reviews and ad details in Google Sheets. So here I'm running a business and I have added my business on Google Business Profile. Now for the credibility of my business, I'm receiving a lot of reviews on Google Business Profile for my business. Now what I want is that I want to add all the detail of my reviews that I'm going to receive on Google Business Profile for my business in my Google Sheet. So automatically whenever I'm going to receive a new review on Google Business Profile, then I will add that in my Google Sheet, and here I want to get the alert on WhatsApp for all the reviews that has 5-star ratings. So for getting the message on WhatsApp, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use AI Sensei, and here for my objective I need to build a connection between Google Business Profile, Google Sheets and AI Sensei. So I'm going to build this connection with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, whenever I'm going to receive a new review on Google Business Profile, then automatically I'm going to add that detail in my Google Sheet, and if in my review I have the 5-star rating, then I'm going to get that alert as a message on WhatsApp. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen.
I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can get WhatsApp alerts for 5-star Google Business Profile reviews and ad details in Google Sheet using Pabbly Connect. So suppose I run a business that relies heavily on online reputation and customer reviews, and my Google Business Profile is a key part of that digital presence. So the positive reviews and especially 5-star reviews can significantly boost my business credibility, and responding to these reviews promptly shows that I value my customer feedback. But manually monitoring them can be time consuming, but here by using Pabbly Connect, I can automate the process of receiving a WhatsApp alert whenever a customer leaves a 5-star review on my Google Business Profile. And additionally, all the reviews that I'm going to receive on my Google Business Profile are automatically going to be logged into my Google Sheet for tracking and analysis. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to add all the Google reviews that I'm going to receive on my Google Business Profile in my Google Sheet, and if I'm receiving a review that has 5-star rating, then only I want to get the alert on my WhatsApp account. So here for this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up a connection between Google Business Profile, Google Sheet and AI Sensei that I'm going to use for sending the message on WhatsApp. So here simply by building this connection between these three applications, I can automate the process of getting WhatsApp alert for 5-star Google Business Review and add all the reviews in my Google Sheet. So here I'm going to do this by connecting Google Business Profile, Google Sheet and AI Sensei with the help of Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to do that without any coding and programming skills. So here I just need to use Pabbly Connect, and for that I'm going to open a new tab and I need to search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser, and this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the landing page, I have these two options of sign in and sign up for free. If we don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then we can just click on this sign up for free button, and this will take only 2 minutes of our time and we will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if we already have an account, we can just sign in and we will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I just need to click on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to do that, and it will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, what I need to do is I need to create a new workflow, and for that I'm going to click on this Create Workflow button, and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to WhatsApp alerts for 5-star Google Business Profile reviews and ad reviews in Google Sheet. Now what I need to do is I need to click on Create, and this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here in this window, I have these two boxes of trigger and action. So trigger and action are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action is just going to follow that. So here in our workflow, we need to first set up our trigger, and here we can only set up single trigger step and multiple action steps. So for setting up my trigger, I need to first search for my trigger application, and here my trigger application is going to be Google Business Profile. So I'm going to search for that, and I'm going to select Google Business Profile here. Now I have to give a trigger event, so I'm going to open this tab, and new review will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this, And now I'm going to connect Google Business Profile with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. And for that, I'm going to click on this connect button. I will click on add new connection and I need to click on sign in with Google. Now I have to click on continue to give access to my account. So I'm going to do that. And here I have successfully connected Google Business Profile with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. Now here I need to first select my account and the location name of my business. So I only have one account, that is of Parampara, so I have selected that. And now I'm going to give my location name. So I'm going to open this tab and here I'm going to use this location of Parampara. So I'm going to select that. And now what I need to do is I need to take you to my Google Business Profile account. And here in Google Business Profile, I need to scroll down and here these are all the reviews. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on view all Google reviews button. And here we can see these are all the reviews that I have on my Google Business Profile. And here I've received this new review by Ritika Nathani, which has the rating of 5 stars. And this is my review that says, absolutely love the apparel store. The quality of the clothing is top notch and the design are both stylish and unique. Customer service are super helpful and in short, I had a great shopping experience from start to finish. The fit of the clothes is perfect and I'm always getting compliments whenever I wear them. Fast delivery too. So here this was my review that I've received on my profile. Now this is the latest review on my Google Business Profile. Now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here for getting the reviews from my Google Business Profile, I need to click on Save and Send Test to Good button. And here we can see I have received this response. So here I have received the response of my latest review that I received on my Google Business Profile. And here I have all these details of my review. So I have the display name or the customer name. Also I have the star rating that is 5. And I have my comment that I have received as my review. So this is my comment that says, absolutely love the apparel store. The quality of the clothing is top notch and the design are both stylish and unique. Customer service was super helpful and in short, I had a great shopping experience from start to finish. The fit of the clothes is perfect and I'm always getting compliments whenever I wear them. Fast delivery too. So here we can see that this was the latest review that I have received on my Google Business Profile and I have received the response of that review here in Pabbly Connect. Now here we can see I have received this response, but if you don't receive this response instantly, then you don't have to worry because this is a polling based response and within the next 8 hours, you are going to receive this response from Google Business Profile. So this 8 hours are the polling time of Google Business Profile and within this 8 hours what is going to happen is that all the reviews that we are going to receive on my Google Business Profile are going to get processed within this 8 hours and automatically it will send the data of that reviews to Pabbly Connect. So in every 8 hours it is going to start capturing the response from Google Business Profile and it is going to send the data of the new reviews to Pabbly Connect within the next 8 hours. Also if you want to reduce this polling time, then you need to talk to the support team of Pabbly Connect and you can reduce your polling time. Now here we can see I have received the response of my review from Google Business Profile. Now what I need to do is that automatically I want to add the detail of my review that I have received from Google Business Profile in my Google Sheet. And here as we can see I have received the star rating that is 5. So I want to get the alert message on WhatsApp for this review. So first I'm going to add the detail of my review in my Google Sheet and for that I'm going to set up my actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab. And here my action application is going to be Google Sheets. So I'm going to search for that. I'm going to select Google Sheets here. Now I have to give my action event. So I'm going to open this tab and add new row will be my action event. So I'm going to select this and I'm going to connect Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection and now I have to click on sign in with Google. And now I have to click on allow to give access to my account. So I'm going to do that. And I have connected Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. Now what I need to do is I need to first select my spreadsheet that I want to use for adding the detail of my reviews that I'm going to receive through Google Business Profile. And for selecting the spreadsheet, I need to take you to my Google Sheet account. And here in Google Sheet, we can see I have this particular spreadsheet that is named as Google Business Profile Reviews. And in the spreadsheet, I have these 3 columns of reviewer name, rating, and the review. So I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And now first I need to select my spreadsheet. So I'm going to open this tab. And here I'm going to find all the spreadsheets that I have in my Google Sheet account. And I'm going to use this particular spreadsheet of Google Business Profile Reviews. So I'm going to select this. And here we can see all the details have changed according to my spreadsheet. Now I'm going to scroll down And here I have these three columns of reviewer name, rating and the review. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to use all the detail of my review that I have received through Google Business Profile response, and I'm going to use those response and I'm going to map those details here in these tabs. So for that I'm going to use mapping, and what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping I need to click here. I will open this response of Google Business Profile, and first I need to give my customer name or the reviewer name. So here I have this reviewer display name, so I'm going to map that. And now I have to give the rating, so I'm going to click here. I will again open this response of Google Business Profile, and here this is the star rating, so I'm going to map this. And now I'm going to give the review. So here this is the review that I have received, so I'm going to map this. And now I have mapped all the required details. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Save and Send Test to Quiz button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that automatically I have added all the detail of my review that I have received through Google Business Profile in my Google Sheet. Now to check whether I have added all the detail of my review in Google Sheet or not, let me take you to Google Sheet. And here in Google Sheet we can see I have added this new row. So in this new row I have the reviewer name, that is Ritika Nathani, I have the rating, that is 5, and I have this particular review that I have received on my Google Business Profile. So here we can see that successfully I have added all the detail of my review that I have received for my business in Google Business Profile, and automatically I have added all those details in my Google Sheet in a new row. So every time I'm going to receive a new review in Google Business Profile, then automatically I will add that review in my Google Sheet in new row. Now let me take you back to Pabbly Connect. And now what I want to do is that I want to send a WhatsApp alert for every 5-star rating that I'm going to receive on my Google Business Profile. So for sending the WhatsApp alert, what I'm going to do is I'm going to first set up a filter, and with that filter I'm going to filter out that I'm only going to send the reviews that has the star rating of 5. So I'm going to add one more action step here, and here I'm going to use filter by Pabbly, so I'm going to select that, and I'm going to give my action event, so I'm going to open this tab, and filter values will be my action event, so I'm going to select this, and I'm going to connect filter by Pabbly with Pabbly Connect in my workflow, so I'm going to click on connect. And now I have to fill all these details to set up my filter and my condition. So here I have to select my label, filter type and the value. So here first for my label, I'm going to open this tab. I'm going to open this response of Google Business Profile, and here I'm going to use star rating as my label. So I'm going to select this. And now I want to only send the alert message for 5-star rating. So I'm going to select my filter type as equal to. Now here I have to give my value. So I'm going to give my value as 5. Now here I have filled all the required detail. Now what is going to happen is that every time I'm going to receive a new review from Google Business Profile, and in that review I'm receiving the star rating as 5, then it will mean that my condition here is true and I can get a WhatsApp alert for that particular review. So for every 5-star rating in my Google Business Profile, I will get a WhatsApp alert. Now here I have set up all the required details. Now I'm going to click on Save and Send Test to Quiz button, and here we can see I have received this response. So in this response I have the status of success, and here I have this message that says condition is true. So this means that I have received the 5-star rating for my review in Google Business Profile, and now what I need to do is I need to get a WhatsApp alert for the 5-star review. So for that I need to add my last actions tab, and for getting the WhatsApp message I'm going to use AI Sensei. So I'm going to search that as my action application, and I'm going to select WhatsApp by AI Sensei here. So I'm going to select that. And now I have to give my action event, so I'm going to open this tab, and send template message will be my action event, so I'm going to select this. And now I'm going to connect AI Sensei with Pabbly Connect in my workflow, so I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection, and now for connecting AI Sensei with Pabbly Connect, I need to give my API key. So how I'm going to get my API key? For that I need to first log into my AI Sensei account. And for getting the API key, I need to navigate to manage section, where I will find the API key option, and I can generate the API key. So for getting the API key, I need to take you to AI Sensei, and here I am on this manage section. So in manage section, I have this option of API key. So I'm going to open that, and here in API key, we can see I have this option of API key. So I'm going to click on this regenerate key button. I will click on confirm, and here I have generated this API key. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this option of click to copy. So I'm going to copy my API key. I will go back to Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to paste that API key here in this tab. Now I have filled all the required details, so I'm going to click on save. And here for sending the message on WhatsApp, I need to fill all these details. So first I'm going to give my campaign name, and here for sending the message on WhatsApp, I need to first create a live campaign. And for creating a new live campaign on AI Sensei, I need to take you back to AI Sensei. And for creating a new live campaign, I first need a template message. So I'm going to go to template message. Here I will go to all. Now here on all, we can see I have all these templates. And for creating a new template in AI Sensei, what you need to do is you need to click on this new button and you need to follow all the instructions. And after following the instructions, you need to customize your message that you want to use in your template for getting the alert message on WhatsApp for every 5-star rating. Now here I have this template of GBP review, that is Google Business Profile Review. So I'm going to open this template. And here in this template, I have this message that is my alert message that I want to get on my WhatsApp every time I'm going to receive a 5-star rating. Now here I'm going to use this template and I want to add this template in my campaign. So I'm going to close this. And for creating a new campaign, I need to go to campaigns. And here I need to create a new campaign. So I'm going to click on this launch button. And I'm going to use this option of API campaign. So I'm going to click on next. And here I need to first give a campaign name. So my campaign name here will be Google Business Profile Review. So this is going to be my campaign name. And now I need to select my template. So I'm going to click here. And I'm going to search for my template that is named as GBP Review. So I'm going to select that as my template. And here I'm going to use this template for sending the alert messages on my WhatsApp number for every 5-star review. Now here I have filled all the required details. So I'm going to click on set live. I will go to campaign. Now here this is the name of my campaign. So I'm going to use this and I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect. Now here in Pabbly Connect, I need to first give my campaign name. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to type the campaign name that I have just created in AI Sensei. So I'm going to type that here. Now I have filled my campaign name. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give the mobile number. So here I have to fill my mobile number on which I want to get the alert messages on WhatsApp. So here I'm going to type my mobile number, and for typing my mobile number, I need to use this format. So in this I need to give + and the country code, and then I need to give my mobile number. So here I'm going to type my WhatsApp number. Now I have added my mobile number and my WhatsApp number. Now what I need to do is I need to give a username. So here I have to give the username as my contact name. So I'm going to type my name here. That is going to be demo user. And now I need to scroll down and I need to give my template parameter. So here in the template parameter, what I need to do is I need to fill the detail of my variables that I have in my template. So for the variables, I need to take you back to AI Sensei. And here this is my particular message that I have in my template. And in this I have these 3 variables of customer, rating and the review. So the value of these details are my variables, and these variables are going to get replaced with all the new details, and the value of these details are going to get replaced in the place of my variables in my message. Now for giving the value of my variables, I need to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here I need to give my template parameter. So template parameters are the values of my variables. Now here my first variable is of my customer name or the reviewer name. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to map the name of my reviewer here. So I'm going to click here. I will open this response of Google Business Profile. And here this is my reviewer name. So I'm going to map this. And now I have to fill the value of my second variable. So I'm going to give a comma here. And my second variable is of rating. So I'm going to give the rating here. So I'm going to open this response of Google Business Profile again. And here this is my star rating. So I'm going to map this. And again I'm going to give a comma. And I'm going to map the review. So here this is my review or the comment. So I'm going to map this. And now I have filled all the details of my variable. So here I have filled all the required details and I have mapped all these details. So I have made all these details dynamic. Now what is going to happen is that every time I'm going to receive a new response from my Google Business Profile, then all the details that I have mapped in my workflow are going to get replaced with the new detail in the real time. So every time I'm going to receive a new review from my Google Business Profile, then automatically all the detail of that review will be added in my Google Sheet. And if my review has the 5-star rating, then automatically I will receive an alert message on my WhatsApp number. Now here I have filled the required details. So I'm going to scroll down. And now I have to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have received an alert message on WhatsApp for the 5-star Google Business Profile Review. So to check whether I've received the message on WhatsApp or not, let me take you to WhatsApp. Now here on WhatsApp, we can see I have received this new message. So I'm going to open that. And here this is my alert message that says new 5-star review alert. Customer name is Ritika Nathani. I have the rating that is 5-star and this is the review that I have received on my Google Business profile. So here we can see that automatically I have received the alert message on WhatsApp for the review that has the 5-star rating. So here I have done this automatically with the help of Pabbly Connect, and I have created this automation that every time I'm going to receive a WhatsApp alert for 5-star rating that I'm going to receive on my Google Business profile review. So here I've connected Google Business Profile, Google Sheets and WhatsApp in such a way that every time I'm going to receive a new review through Google Business Profile, then automatically I'm going to add the detail of that review in my Google Sheet so that I can keep the track and records of all the reviews. And if in my review I'm receiving the 5-star rating, then automatically I will receive the alert message on WhatsApp for that review. So for every 5-star rating review, I'm going to receive an alert message on WhatsApp. So here we can see I've successfully created this automation between Google Business Profile, Google Sheet and WhatsApp, and I have done this automatically with the help of Pabbly Connect. So let me take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, I have connected Google Business Profile, Google Sheets and WhatsApp by AI Sensei to send WhatsApp alerts for 5-star Google Business Profile reviews and add details in Google Sheets. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Google Business Profile and my trigger event was new review. Then I have set up my actions tab, and first I have used Google Sheet as my action application and my action event here was add new row. Then I have set up my filter where I have used my rating as my filter value, and if I'm receiving my review rating as 5-star, then automatically I'm sending an alert message on WhatsApp by using WhatsApp by AI Sensei, and here my action event was send template message. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there, and thank you for watching this video.
Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.